today I am here to say my opinion on some of the questions posed by the Moksh Overseas Consultancy. Okay, the first question is what do I like most about Moksh Overseas Education Consultancy? The thing I like most in their coaching is they give us live lectures. In live lectures, we can ask questions in middle of the lecture and we can discuss with the teacher, and we will have polls on some questions during the lecture, and etc. The main thing which is very important in this live classes is that we can ask questions and our doubts without any hesitation. The next question is, does the instructor make a good use of live classes and time together? In my opinion, yes, because the lecturers that we have now are very good. They are very experienced and they make total use of the features of these live lectures. They keep on asking in middle that whether we understood the content or not. This is a pretty good way of teaching. And the next question, the final question is, which faculty do I like very much, and the thing I like in Moksh LMS platform? My favorite, in my opinion, my favorite lecturer is Dr. Ankit. His way of teaching is very good, and he holds the interest till the end of the lecture. So he is my favorite lecturer. So the thing I like most in the Moksh LMS platform is that it contains repeated questions. I mean, if we make any mistakes in MCQs, we will keep on seeing those MCQs which we have mistaken, so we can not forget those MCQs in future. So that's it. Thank you to Moksh to know my opinions on their coaching program. Thank you very much.